Good afternoon, my dear friends. Welcome to Divyansh Birthare YouTube Educare channel. Today, I will dictate a passage which was spoken in 2018 SSC Stenographer examination. I will try to maintain the flow of the dictation and just want to inform I will record an explanation video of this passage, different outlines. Let's get started. The dictation will start later 5 seconds. Start. Today is an auspicious day for our country. Today we enter the 60th year of our independence. Today again we rededicate ourselves to the progress and prosperity of our nation, to the welfare of all our people and to the unity and integrity of our country. Today we salute our beloved tricolor. We pay tribute to Mahatma Gandhi and all those freedom fighters because of whose efforts and sacrifices we secured our independence. We remember all those whose hard work and efforts keep our flag flying high and keep our country on the road to progress. We pay tribute to the brave members of our armed forces and the millions of our countrymen who are toiling tirelessly for the progress and prosperity of our nation. When I see large development projects coming up, while one rejoices at the progress that is being made, one worries for those who are displaced, for those who have lost their land and livelihood. When one sees our cities live in their slums, when our industry and services compete successfully across the globe, we celebrate our success in global markets. But at the same time, we are buffeted by the same global forces when oil prices go up because of factors beyond our control. Globalization certainly has its benefits, but it can also hurt the common man. The challenges for us as a nation is to ensure that while we keep the wheels of progress moving rapidly forward, no section of society and no part of the country is left behind and generates employment and a bright future for our youth. The going has never been as good for India in the past as it is now. Our economy has been growing at an impressive pace of over 8%. Such rapid growth over 3 successive years is unprecedented in Indian history. Our industry and services sectors are showing impressive growth. Growth of the manufacturing industry has been generating jobs. Many jobs have been generated for our youth. I see our service sector competing with the best and earning valuable foreign exchange. All around us, we see new roads being built. The railways are expanding their reach. New power plants are being built. New airports are being planned. Vast industrial estates and special economic zones are coming up. This dynamism is the result of the enterprise and hard work of millions of Indians. They are boldly taking our country into the future. I am sure this will result in far greater prosperity for our people. I sincerely believe that the most effective way to banish poverty is to generate growth, which in turn will create new opportunities for gainful employment. India is certainly on the march, yet we have miles to go before we can truly say that we have made our destiny. 70 years ago, Nehru ji told us that the two challenges before a free India was to end poverty and inequality of opportunity. India has marched a great distance forward in these 70 years, but the challenge of banishing poverty remains with us. We have yet to banish hunger from our land. Para change. Bharat Nirman is another program which will modernize our villages. As our villages get fully electrified and get connected by roads and telephones, their economies will prosper. As they get better irrigation facilities, their agriculture will grow. They will participate in the growth which is already visible in urban India. I am happy that progress in the first year of Bharat Nirman has been good. We must create an environment that encourages business to grow and create more employment, especially in the manufacturing sector. We have created a conducive environment for our industrial enterprises to flourish, and the results of this are visible. We are supporting not just large industries but also the labor intensive small scale and handloom sectors through special programs we are giving cheaper loans to this sector, and handloom cooperatives are being revitalized. I am hopeful that in the coming years, lakhs of jobs will be generated in these sectors. The results of our efforts to improve agriculture are clearly visible in some places. Farmers are getting better prices for many crops. This helps them earn a better livelihood. In order to ensure that the needy and the poor do not get adversely affected, our government is committed to ensuring adequate availability of essential commodities at affordable prices to them. While employment and agriculture are of immediate concern to all, our long-term concern is for the future of our children. They need to be healthy, well educated, with hope for the future. We will also pay particular attention to the empowerment through education of children belonging to scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and minorities. We will provide all possible assistance for the all-round growth of children suffering from disabilities. Thank you so much. Practice this passage at least 10 times via this recording. Please do like, subscribe, and share this video if this video is very helpful to you. Thank you so much. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.